For many travelers, Cyprus is defined by its beach resorts. Golden sands, luxury hotels, and warm Mediterranean waters have made the island one of Europe's most popular holiday destinations. But beyond the familiar coastline lies another Cyprus, where forested mountains, timeless villages, ancient monasteries, and dramatic landscapes reveal a side of the island that many visitors never experience. This is a journey beyond the familiar. Across pine-covered highlands, hidden valleys, rugged coastlines, and centuries-old communities, Cyprus reveals one of the Mediterranean's most diverse and fascinating islands. Every region uncovers another remarkable landscape shaped by history, culture, and nature. Our journey begins in the Troodos Mountains, where winding roads climb through dense forests toward some of the island's highest peaks. Cool mountain air, traditional villages, and breathtaking viewpoints create a striking contrast to the bustling beaches below. Every bend in the road reveals another spectacular panorama. Morning sunlight filters through towering pine trees, while crystal-clear streams wind gently through quiet valleys beneath forested slopes. Waterfalls tumble over weathered rocks where cool mountain air carries the scent of cedar and wild herbs. The atmosphere feels wonderfully refreshing. Leaving the forest trails behind, the journey reaches the famous Kykkos Monastery. Surrounded by mountains and ancient woodland, this remarkable monastery has welcomed pilgrims for centuries while preserving one of Cyprus's most treasured spiritual and cultural landmarks. History feels alive within its walls. Golden mosaics shimmer beneath the Mediterranean sun, while peaceful courtyards overlook rolling mountain landscapes stretching toward distant horizons. Quiet pathways connect chapels, gardens, and panoramic terraces where breathtaking views reward every visitor. Every corner reflects centuries of tradition. Traveling deeper into the highlands, the landscape opens into the remarkable Cedar Valley. One of the few remaining natural habitats of the rare Cyprus cedar, this peaceful wilderness preserves forests that have flourished here for thousands of years. Nature dominates every direction. Ancient cedar trees blanket the mountainsides while broad ridgelines reveal sweeping views across forests, valleys, and distant coastlines. Birds glide effortlessly above the canopy as mountain breezes carry a sense of complete tranquility. Every viewpoint captures another unforgettable scene. Leaving the mountains behind, quiet country roads descend toward the picturesque village of Lefkara. Narrow stone streets weave between beautifully preserved houses where generations of artisans have perfected the island's world-famous lace-making and silver craftsmanship. The village feels timeless. Flower-filled courtyards brighten winding alleys, while traditional workshops continue preserving skills passed down through countless generations. Every corner reflects the warmth, creativity, and cultural heritage that have shaped village life for centuries. Authentic Cyprus comes beautifully into view. Leaving Lefkara behind, the countryside unfolds across vineyards, olive groves, and fertile valleys where traditional farming continues to shape the landscape. Quiet villages remain closely connected to the rhythms of nature, while church towers rise gently above rolling hills. Every kilometer reveals another peaceful corner of the island. As afternoon light spreads across forests, mountains, and timeless villages, warm golden colors transform the landscape beneath brilliant Mediterranean skies. Cyprus's extraordinary natural beauty becomes impossible to overlook. Every horizon invites further exploration. From cool mountain forests and ancient monasteries to cedar valleys and traditional villages, every destination reveals another side of Cyprus that many travelers never discover. Together, they show that the island's greatest treasures extend far beyond its famous beach resorts. And the journey has only just begun. Beyond the mountain forests and traditional villages, Cyprus continues to reveal rugged peninsulas, hidden gorges, crystal-clear coves, and dramatic Mediterranean coastlines that remain among the island's greatest secrets. Every region uncovers another extraordinary surprise. The farther the journey continues, the more remarkable Cyprus becomes. Our next destination is the spectacular Akamas Peninsula National Park, one of the Mediterranean's most important protected landscapes. Rugged cliffs, wild coastal trails, hidden beaches, and untouched forests combine to create a wilderness unlike anywhere else on the island. Every sunrise reveals another breathtaking panorama. Narrow paths wind above turquoise coves where the Mediterranean sparkles beneath brilliant sunshine. Sea caves, wind-swept headlands, and quiet beaches stretch toward the horizon while native plants flourish across the rocky landscape. Nature flourishes in every direction. Leaving the coastline behind, the journey follows a winding trail into the remarkable Avakas Gorge. Towering limestone walls rise dramatically above a narrow canyon where seasonal streams have carved one of Cyprus's most spectacular natural formations. The scale feels unexpectedly immense. Sunlight filters between towering cliffs, while smooth rock faces glow in shades of gold and amber beneath the open sky. Wild fig trees cling to the canyon walls as birds circle high above this peaceful hidden landscape. Every step reveals another unforgettable perspective. Traveling north once again, the coastline opens around the peaceful harbor town of Latchi. Traditional fishing boats rest beside the waterfront while the nearby Blue Lagoon reveals some of the clearest water anywhere in the Mediterranean. The atmosphere feels wonderfully relaxed. Crystal-clear turquoise water gently laps against secluded coves where colorful boats drift above reefs visible far below the surface. Forested hills descend toward the coast, while quiet beaches remain beautifully uncrowded throughout much of the year. Every viewpoint captures another stunning coastal scene. Leaving the western coast behind, the journey reaches Cape Greco National Forest Park. Towering limestone cliffs plunge dramatically into the sea where hidden caves, natural arches, and panoramic viewpoints create one of Cyprus's most spectacular coastal landscapes. The scenery is simply breathtaking. Waves crash against weathered rock formations, while coastal walking trails follow the cliff tops overlooking endless shades of blue. At sunrise and sunset, golden light transforms the limestone coastline into one of the Mediterranean's most unforgettable natural spectacles. Every kilometer reveals another beautiful horizon. Across Cyprus, mountain forests, fertile valleys, ancient villages, rugged coastlines, and turquoise bays remain closely connected within one remarkably diverse island. Traveling only a short distance often reveals an entirely different landscape, making every stage of the journey feel wonderfully unique. Every kilometer offers another discovery. Traditional communities continue preserving customs shaped by generations of farming, craftsmanship, fishing, and mountain life. Warm hospitality, local cuisine, colorful festivals, and deep cultural traditions remain central to everyday life. Authentic experiences are found throughout the island. Throughout the seasons, Cyprus quietly transforms. Spring fills the mountains with colorful wildflowers, summer brings calm turquoise seas, autumn colors the vineyards during harvest, and winter occasionally dusts the highest Troodos peaks with snow. Every season reveals another side of the island. Every destination reveals another unexpected side of Cyprus. Pine forests lead toward dramatic sea cliffs. Medieval monasteries give way to hidden coves, and timeless villages preserve traditions that have endured for centuries. Diversity defines every journey. Traveling beyond the resorts transforms the way many people experience Cyprus. Instead of discovering only beaches and holiday towns, visitors uncover an island of rugged mountains, spectacular coastlines, peaceful villages, ancient history, and hidden natural wonders that remain refreshingly authentic. These are the places that leave lasting memories. This is the Cyprus that rewards curiosity. It is a place where forested mountains, dramatic coastlines, turquoise waters, timeless villages, and remarkable traditions continue to flourish beyond the familiar tourist trail. Every journey uncovers another unforgettable destination. Perhaps Cyprus's greatest secret is not found within its famous beach resorts at all. It is the extraordinary collection of hidden mountain landscapes, rugged coastal parks, crystal-clear coves, ancient villages, and welcoming communities that together reveal one of the Mediterranean's most beautiful islands. Beyond the resorts lies a Cyprus that is authentic, peaceful, and truly unforgettable.